Hi, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make quesadillas de Tinga De Pollo or chicken quesadillas. And these are the best quesadillas that you ever gonna try. Here are the ingredients I'm gonna use. I have 5 chicken breasts that I already cooked. 3 tomatoes, quarter of an onion, queso Oaxaca, I have queso cotija, 3 to 4 chipotle, cream, and my tortillas. And if you want to know how I make my tortillas, you can go check my other videos. So let me show you how to do this. Alright, so I'm gonna put my pan in medium heat, around 6. I'm gonna put some oil in it because we're gonna fry our tomatoes. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut my tomatoes and my onions. So the onion we're gonna do like a slice, like kind of half a slice. Make sure you make them thin. So now I'm gonna fry this. And the chipotles, that's gonna be at the end. Now we're gonna fry this. I'm gonna put my heat a little higher, about 8. A little bit of salt. Not too much, because the chicken already has salt in it. So I'm gonna leave that cooking and I'm gonna shred the chicken. Alright, for my chicken, I'm gonna shred the chicken. I'm gonna use these tongs or pinzas because the chicken is really hot. I mean, if you have time, you can always cook this like the day before. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just a little, not too much. Alright, so now we're gonna add the chipotle. I'm squishing them a little bit right here. If you don't want your tinga to be spicy, just don't add the chipotles. I'm gonna start adding some of my chicken. I'm gonna go my heat to low. So as you can see, my Tinga De Pollo is ready. And now I'm gonna remove it from the heat. So now that we have everything ready, I'm gonna start with my quesadillas. I also want to mention that I separate one chicken breast because my daughter doesn't eat spicy or any vegetables inside. So let's put our tortillas. No. Did we lose power?
Jesus Christ.
Alright, so now we're gonna add our chicken. And I'm gonna show you, if you don't have queso Oaxaca, you can use mozzarella. So I'm gonna make 2 with mozzarella cheese. Yeah, 2 only. And then I'm gonna add the Oaxaca to the rest. need to keep doing that with the rest of the plain chicken for the little one. So this, yesterday I make some adobo and I got some leftovers, so today I'm gonna use that. If you want me to show you my recipe for the adobo, let me know in the comments. So here are my quesadillas, and now we're gonna go for the testing. So this is how I like them. People like to put the cream and the cheese on the outside, like this. And I like it to be inside. Some cheese and some hot sauce. If you want to know how I make my hot sauce, you can go and watch my other videos. So now let's taste it. This is really good. So that's it for today's video. If you like them, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel.